SANKEN CNC automatic glass cutting line is composed of auto glass loading table, CNC glass cutting machine, and a pneumatic glass breaking table. The advanced mechanical structure cooperates with Italy control system and cutting optimization software to create an international high-end automatic glass cutting line, which realizes the fully automatic operations of glass cutting. It's suitable for a variety of flat glass cutting and has been widely recognized by users at home and abroad. SANKEN quality, trusted worldwide.